Hello everyone, today we have the first video for chapter 1, statics free body diagrams. We have this question that wants us to determine the axial force and the member BE here of the frame, and that is the question that we have with all the givens. So let's get it started. I would love, once we started, to just make a triangle here. That's a 90-degree. We know this is 4, and we know if that is 2, that is 2, 2. So we can get this angle. Let's say that's 5. So let's say that is 10 phi equal, for tangent is opposite over the adjacent. The opposite is 4. Adjacent is 2, which is equal to. So if we want to get phi, it will be tan inverse 2. So phi equal 63.4 degree. Okay, why I get it? We're gonna use it later. Just stay with me, and I will let you know when we're gonna use it. Because we'll try to get a PE. Okay, let's start with, as we mentioned in the last 3 videos, let's do free body diagram. So first free body diagram I will do is for the whole part here. So which is A, C, F, D. Just draw the lines, so it's not important. Yep, I put the 1000. I'll be down. I would love any weight and put it down, so I know the direction is going downward. Be easier for me. Here, if anything fixed like that, we know this from the last videos is RAX, and that is R. Spell up, RAY. Anything with the wall something like that, give you RAX and RAY, and here will give RDX or DY. Right? Let's get the 3 equations that we use to do for any free body diagram. Summation of f of x equals 0. We have only 2 for the x direction, and both of them at the same direction, which is RAX plus RDX equals 0. So RAX equal negative RDX. That is the first equation. Second equation, summation Fy equals 0. So RAY, we have this 2 at the same direction, this one is different direction. So RAY plus RDY minus, because it's different direction, 1000 equals 0. Let's send this one to the other side. RAY plus RDY equal 1000. That is the second equation we have. The third, which is summation of momentum. Which point we're gonna choose? You can choose this one or this one. Why? This 2 specifically, you try to move the one that has a lot of unknowns. So this point has 2, this point has 2, this point only has 1. So it's better to move one of these. I will actually move the DX, the D. Summation of momentum at D equals 0. It's up to you if you want to do here. It's fine. It's gonna work also at the same. It will be fine. All right. So when you're doing momentum, and that's the hardest thing. So anything in the x direction, you're gonna count. Anything RAX is gonna count. Why? I'll show you. RAX multiplied by this distance, 4. Okay, so why we didn't do RAY? Because you kind of like make RAY multiplied by the x distance, which is 0, because they are at the same line. So RAY is kind of like RAY multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. But RAX you multiply by this distance, which is 4. Okay? Why we make it RAX? That is clockwise. So this one is negative RAX. Okay? I'm always consider clockwise is negative, anti-clockwise is positive. Here also the weight 1000 lb is also clockwise, so minus 1000 multiplied by this distance, which is 4 plus 2 6 equals 0. So we can get RAX equal negative 6000 over 4. So RAX equal negative 1500 lb. If you get, that is number 4. You have RAX, so you can get what? You can get RDX. Therefore, RDX equal 1500 lb. Alright, think we'll get everything from this free body diagram, but remember, we'll try to get this one. Okay, so let's take another free body diagram that related to this part, the PE. I will take the cross section, I will cut from here, see, I kind of like cut from here. Okay, here we still have the RAX, RAY. Here you have the F internal, that's the one that you try to get, the axial force FBE. And here you have FCF. You remember this angle? That is the phi that we get here. Now we're gonna use it. Okay, as we mentioned last video, and if you didn't watch it, please watch it, will be make it easier. If you want to move anything has an angle, so that's here will be FCF cosine theta, and here FCF sine theta. Okay, also do not forget that we have 1000 here. Okay, just I will put them in a circle to not forget any one of them. Okay, let's get started. The same thing. Yeah, so that's FBD free body diagram. That was A B C. Summation of x equals 0. What is in the x direction? RAX, that is going for this way, and this going for this way, minus FCF cosine phi, the phi that we get here. Okay, equals 0. So now we can get FCF, because we have RAX, we have phi. So FCF equal RAX over cosine phi, which is equal, RAX was negative 1500 cosine 63.4. Therefore FCF equal, is calculated, negative 354 LB. Okay, so if we did f of summation f of y, let's do it, but it will not help a lot. But okay, just ray and this minus r fbe minus 1000 minus fcf sine phi equals 0. Why I say this one will not help us, because now we have two unknowns, will not help. But the one that can help us, the moment. Because think about it, if we're gonna take the moment here, because there has two forces unknown, like one of them unknown, but like two reaction forces can cancel out here. Equals 0. Okay, now we have FBE going also clockwise, so it will be negative FBE. What is the distance here? FBE is 2 feet, so that's multiplied by 2. Minus, because 1000 also going like that, 1000 multiplied by the whole distance, which is 6, minus FCF sine phi multiply also by 6, the whole distance. Okay, now we only have FBE, that is not the unknown. Okay, so just make it if we divide it by -1, all of them can be the positive FBE equal negative 6000 minus FCF sine phi multiplied by 6 over 2. So FBE, let's calculate it, negative 6000 minus negative 3354 sine phi was 63.4 multiplied by 6 divided by 2. Check all the numbers to be sure. Yep, so I got 5996.9 LB. That is for FBE. Right, I hope everything was clear on the video. Please let me know in the comments if there is anything is not clear, and I will be happy to tell you what is the answer for it. Also, if you have any question that you want us to solve here, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. Please subscribe on our channel to see the other videos about like any statics, anything about mechanics. And see you later. See you in the next video.